In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email provider with HubSpot. This tutorial will cover the process thoroughly, providing you with all the necessary details to make sure your connection is set up seamlessly. Let's get started. First, we'll need to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL that you see on your screen. Or you might already have it bookmarked if this is something you've been planning to do. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a clean and intuitive interface designed to help you find what you need with ease. This user guide serves as a fantastic resource, offering support and clarification not just on email connections but on many other features HubSpot has to offer. Next, once you're on the user guide page, look for the settings option. It's usually depicted by a gear icon, a universal symbol for settings across many platforms. Clicking this will open up a multitude of options specific to your account settings, both general and advanced. Navigating through settings might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but worry not. It's laid out in a way that's user-friendly, so you should find it quite straightforward once you spend a little time here. Now, direct your attention to the option labeled Email Service Provider. Simply click on that. This section is your gateway to managing how your emails are handled within HubSpot. Whether you use Gmail, Outlook, or another service, this feature ensures that your emails are integrated smoothly into your CRM. It's a time saver and lifesaver for consistent communication. Once you're on the Email Service Provider page, look for the Connect Email button. This is where the magic happens. By clicking Connect Email, you initiate the process of linking your existing email service with HubSpot. It's designed to be as intuitive as possible, with prompts guiding you through each step. Before you proceed, make sure you have your email login credentials at hand. The system will likely ask for these details to finalize the connection. Keeping your passwords secure is crucial, so consider using a password manager if you aren't already. This handy tool not only stores your passwords securely, but also helps generate strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to connect your email provider to HubSpot, enhancing your productivity and ensuring your marketing efforts are as efficient as possible. Remember, if you encounter any issues, the HubSpot support team is just a click away. They're known for their superb customer service. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your newly integrated email capabilities.